Alright, let's take a look at the TLOD series, specifically its interface language, how to switch it, and the logic behind its operations. First, let's look at how to switch the interface language. First, we will click on the Tools menu, then proceed to Settings, followed by Control, then Language, and finally, the Language Switch option. It is currently set to English. We also provide comprehensive support for the Chinese language. Yes, indeed, the Chinese language is fully supported. The switch menu is right here, and it's currently set to English. If I haven't switched to another language yet, all we need to do is select it and then click OK. For example, if we switch to Chinese language and click OK. Just wait a moment and the language will change after switching. Yes, this language. Now let's switch it back to English. Click OK. When selecting a language, make sure to click OK after choosing it, otherwise it won't change. Also, when installing the machine for the first time, you must choose whether the machine will operate in intermittent mode or continuous printing mode. One is in the software. When we edit content in the software, there will be an option to select the main editor and editing information to choose whether to edit in intermittent mode or continuous mode. Another important consideration is whether our product is designed for continuous printing operations, or if it is intended to print only when it has completely stopped. This particular setting can be conveniently configured and adjusted within the comprehensive computer control panel. From within this comprehensive and intuitive control panel, you can efficiently manage all essential settings and configurations for your system. Click on Tools here, then after clicking Print, you'll find a printing mode option under General. If we need intermittent mode, we select intermittent. If we need continuous mode, we switch to continuous. Sometimes after installing the machine, people ask, "Why isn't it printing? Why isn't it printing?" I ask, is the printing mode set correctly? You need to check whether the software is set to intermittent or continuous mode and see if it matches the actual printing environment on site.